Yes, beta. Let's start with the rules of the direct and indirect speech, which is called reported speech also. Yesterday we discussed about the direct and the indirect speech. The direct speech is a report of the exact words used by a speaker or a writer, and the words are put within the inverted commas. We do not make any change in the words of the speaker. Indirect speech is the speech where we don't use the inverted commas and we report what someone has said in our own words. And these are not the exact words spoken by the speaker. So we change it according to our own and we remove the inverted commas. Then we discussed about the two parts of direct and indirect speech. One is the reporting verb, second is reported speech. Reporting verb tells us who said to whom, that the action or the thing or whatever is reported, it is said by whom and to whom, कौन उसको कह रहा है और किसको कह रहा है. Then in the inverted commas we have the exact word spoken by the speaker, that is known as reported speech. After this we discussed the difference and the changes what we will do while changing the direct into indirect speech. First is inverted commas will be removed. Second, we will add conjunction that if it is in simple form, sentences in the simple form or the affirmative or declarative form. Then which will change the verb in the reported speech. After that, we'll change the persons in the reported speech. And the last one was change in the adverbs of time and place. To begin with, we discussed about the change in pronouns. And we discussed about the rule of SON, that means subject, object, and no change. Then in the reported speech, we discussed about first person, second person, and third person. And we discussed this also, that the speaker is known as the first person, the person who is speaking, जो बात करने वाला है. And the person who is listening or to whom the first person is talking is known as the second person. And about whom they both are talking is known as the third person. And what is the rule with us to change the pronouns? First person in the reported speech will change according to the subject in the reporting verb. Second person in the reported speech will change according to the subject in the reporting, according to the object in the reporting verb. And if there is third person in the reported speech, there will be no change. And we discussed the words also, that we take I, we as subject, me, us as objects, my and our as possessive pronouns in the first person, you as subject, you as object, and your as the possessive pronoun in second person. He, she, it, they, or any name is in the third person, and from that we make the pronouns. From he, we make the object him, from she, her, and from they, them. And then the possessive pronouns from he, his, she, her, they, their, their. If we have it, it is used as a subject also, it is used as object also, and the possessive pronoun will be its, 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 no comma. If we put comma, it become it is, verb ban jata hai wo saath mein. So don't put comma here, it's a combined word, its. Clear? Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here? You can raise your hands. Harleen beta, everything clear? Harleen, Hiteshri, everything clear beta? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
No doubt to
Yes,
anyone?
ma'am, everything
No
is
doubt.
clear.
Okay, no doubt to anyone. Should I move forward? Yes. Coming to the next part. See the examples, how the pronouns are changed. You must understand. Please keep yourself mute. Keep yourself mute, beta. You can see the examples. Ram said to me, I am going. This is the direct speech. Ram said to me, reporting verb. I am going, reported speech. And the speech is put in the inverted commas. That means it is direct speech. If we change this direct speech into indirect form, we are only discussing about the change of the persons. So don't look at the other thing. Ram told me that, we have discussed that we'll remove the inverted commas and we'll put conjunction that if it is a simple form. I is a first person. Reported speech में हमने देखना है कि हमारे पास subject जो है, which person is this? It is first person I. So it will change with the subject of the reporting verb. You can see here how it can be changed. Reporting verb में कैसे इसको हम change कर सकते हैं? You can see it here. Yes, you can see that this is the reporting verb with us. I is first person subject here, and we will change it with the subject of the reporting verb. What is the subject here? This is Ram, or it is third person subject. So how will change it? I will change into he. Ram nahi lagayenge because we don't use the noun again and again. It's a proper noun. We'll use the pronoun at the place of noun. Okay, the word that is used at the place of noun is called as pronoun. So we'll use here pronoun he. Third person के accordingly राम के लिए हम क्या use करेंगे? He. Clear? Then change of person is there and we have removed the inverted commas. You said to Radha, I am studying. Again, we have first person in the reported speech, I. It will change with the subject of the reporting verb. Now the subject is you, which is second person. So I will change into you. You told Radha that you were studying. They said to me, we are playing. They told me that we first person plural है हमारे पास. It will change with the subject of the reporting verb. Subject here is they. So when we'll change it, it will become they only. So we'll change we into they, plural form of third person. They were playing. I said to him, Ram is a fool. I told him that Ram, it is a third person singular now, maybe plural or singular, third person will not change. So it will remain same. Ram was a fool. I think everything is clear now. Coming to the next speech. Now we are coming to the change of the tenses. Change in the verb of the reported speech. Please be particular and very careful because this is the thing where you commit mistakes. Change in the verb of reported speech. First rule, if reporting verb is in the past, the verbs of reported speech will be changed into past. पहली कंडीशन हमारी क्या है कि अगर हमारे पास रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब में past tense यूज किया गया है, past can be in any form, indefinite, continuous, perfect or perfect continuous, any form of past, then the reported speech will be changed into past tense only. We have discussed this while doing the tenses also. Sequence of tenses किए थे कि हमारे पास two clauses हैं, तो one clause is in the past and the second clause will also be in the past. The same rule is used in the reported speech also. Here we call it as reporting verb and reported speech. And in the sentences complex sentences or the compound sentences, we say clauses. See the example. He said the doctor is in. In the indirect speech, he said that the doctor was in. We have changed is into was because the reporting verb, what is the reporting verb here? Said. It is in the past tense. Clear? Now, after this, there are some exceptions of the rule also. First is if the reported speech shows universal truth. रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में अगर कोई यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ आ जाता है, कोई हिस्टोरिकल ट्रूथ है, कोई साइंटिफिक ट्रूथ है, साइंटिफिक फैक्ट आ जाता है, देन देयर विल बी नो चेंज. If the reported speech shows habitual fact, habitual means any habit, आपकी कोई habit है उसको represent कर रहा है reported speech, then there will be no change in the tense of the reported speech. If the reporting verbs is in present or future tense, this is another exception of the rule, or you can say the another rule. This can be called as rule number 2 also, and it can be called as exception number 3 also. If the reporting verb is in present or future tense, then there will be no change in the tense of the reported speech. जैसे हमने ऊपर sentence किया, he said. If we have the sentence he says, then no change of tense, was नहीं करेंगे हम फिर. Or if the sentence is he will say, future है, even then no change of the tense will be there. You can see the example. The doctor said to the patient, the nurse said to the patient, health is wealth. The nurse told the patient that health is wealth. This is universal truth. See the more examples. He says to me, you are wise. He says to me that I am wise. See only the change of the tense here. Reporting verb is not changed. Don't look at that. We are talking only about the tense changes. I'll tell you afterwards what is it. You are wise. We will change the persons. You, second person, changes with the object. Object here is me. So we will change you into I because you is at the position of a subject. So we'll take the subject of me here. I am wise, but there is no change of tense. Is, am, are all relate to present. According to the subject, the verb is changed, but not the tense is changed. Tense is not changed here. I use किया तो हमने am लगा दिया, you था तो उसके साथ are use किया हुआ था, but the tense is same. Ram will say to me, I am true. Now the reporting verb is in future tense, will say. So no change of tense. Ram will say to me that he is true. Now here I is first person, changes with the subject of the reporting verb, that is Ram. So we change I into he, and with he we use helping verb is. So the sentence has changed. He is true, but there is no change of tense. Clear? Coming to the next. Now note down the rules, how you are going to change the rules or the sentences of the direct form into indirect form, and how the tenses are to be changed in the reported speech while making the sentence from direct to indirect. For this, again, you need the tenses. So if you don't remember, if you don't know the rules, please cram the rules of the tenses. Tenses जो हैं वो आपको cram ही करने पड़ेंगे. Only then you can go for the voice and the narration. All rules will be clear to you only if you know the tenses. But if you don't remember, don't have in your mind what is to be used in which tense, then there will be difficulty in using the rules of the reported speech and the voice also. So you must cram the tenses. Yes. Look at the rules. For all these rules, the condition is the same as we discussed in the previous slide. What was that? In the previous slide, we discussed about the first rule that was given. if the reporting verb is in the past, the verbs of the reported speech will be changed into past. Into past नहीं होगा. Now we are discussing the rules कि वो किस टेंस में चेंज होंगे. कौन सा टेंस है रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में, तो वो किस टेंस में चेंज होगा. बट फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज सेम, दैट द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब इज इन पास्ट टेंस. ये ध्यान रखना है कि जब भी हमारा रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट में है, तो reported speech will change according to these rules. That means first rule is, if we have reported speech in the simple present. Simple present means first form with s or es, or simple first form. It will change into simple past. That means first form or first form with s or es will change into second form. If we have reported speech in present continuous tense, reporting verb is the same. Reporting verb is in the past only. उसकी वो condition नहीं बदल रही है. This condition will continue with all. Reporting verb is in past and reported speech is in present continuous. That means is, am, are, first form is used there. We will change the sentence, we'll change the verb into past continuous while changing from direct to indirect form. That means we'll change is, am, are into was, were. Main verb will not change, it will remain same. You know about present continuous, we use is, am, are, first form ing, and in the past continuous we use was, were, first form ing. So we'll change the helping verb is, am, are into was, were. Then the third is, if we have reported speech in the present perfect tense, that means has, have plus third form, it will change into past perfect. That means had plus third form. Then next is present perfect continuous tense. That means has, have, been plus first form ing will change into past perfect continuous. That means had been going. So what we have seen, that if the reporting verb is in the past tense, reported speech, any form of present will change into the same form of the past. If it is indefinite, it will change into indefinite. If it is continuous, it will change into continuous. If it is perfect, it will change into past perfect. And if it is perfect continuous, then it will change into past perfect continuous. That means the of same form of the past will be used instead of present. Coming to the second, if we have reported speech in the past tense, that means already second form is used here, then it will change into past perfect, had plus third form. Past continuous will change into past perfect continuous. That means was, were, going. Was, were plus first form ing will change into had been first form ing. If there is already past perfect, then no change. There is already past perfect continuous, no change. So for the past indefinite and continuous, it will change into past perfect and past perfect continuous. But for past perfect and perfect continuous, there will be no change. Then for future tense, if we have reported speech in will or shall plus first form, or would plus first form, we will change shall or will. Both will change into would, not should. Be careful. Shall is not changed into should because it changes the meaning. As a helping verb, when we change will or shall, it will change into would. Main verb will remain same in the first form. The same coming to the next model forms. This will be for all the future tenses, all the forms of the future tense, will or shall, future indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. In all the four forms, we use will or shall plus other helping verbs and the main verbs. We are not to change any other thing except will or शेल, विल और शेल को वुड में चेंज कर देना, बाकी कोई चेंज नहीं करनी है, सेम एज इट इज यू विल यूज. Then coming to the models, can changes into could, may changes into might, must changes into had to, and if you don't change the must, it remains the same, even then it is correct, but the main verb will not change, it will remain same. After this, coming to the changes of the adverb, that is nearness of time and place. Here changes into there, now changes into then, this into that, these into those, today, that day, tonight, that night, last night or last week, the previous night or the week, yesterday, the previous day, tomorrow, the next day, next week, the following week, ago, before. So these are the adverbs which we change while changing the direct form into indirect form. Now let's have a look at some examples. He had said to me, we play. He had told me. Now before we discuss these examples, let me clear you one more thing which is not mentioned here in the PPT. When we have the reporting verb with the object, try to understand, if the object is given to us in the reporting verb, he had said to me is the object here, then we change said into told, say into tell, says into tells. मीन्स अगर हमारे पास ऑब्जेक्ट दिया है तो हमने सेड को या से को या सेज जो भी दिया हुआ है हमारे पास वर्ब, उसको told या tell according to the verb we will change it. But if we are not given any object, if only this is written he said, comma inverted commas begin, then we don't change it. In the simple sentences, we don't change said into told if the object is not given. Please be careful. Now look at the examples. He had said to me, we play. This is which tense used, had said, past perfect. So the condition is if we have in the reporting verb past tense, then the reported speech will also change. The tense of the reported speech will also change according to the rules that we have discussed. So here we see the tenses play, first form of the verb. That means present indefinite, it will change into past indefinite. So the sentence is, he had told me that, removing the inverted commas, and when we change said into told, we remove to also, because we are telling something to the person who is nearby. Me object mentioned है, जब object mentioned नहीं होता तो हम said का said रहने देते हैं, we don't change it. So we remove to while using told. He had told me that, we first person plural will change with the subject. Subject is he, that is a third person. So we'll take the plural of third person, they. Play first form changes into second form. They played. Clear? Coming to the second sentence, he had said to me, we are playing. This is continuous tense now, are playing, present continuous. He had told me that they were playing. Present continuous changes into past continuous. Is, am, are changes into was, were. He said to me, we have played. He told me that they had played. Present perfect, has have plus third form, changed into past perfect, had played. He said to me, we have been playing. He told me that they had been playing. Present perfect continuous, changed into past perfect continuous. Yes, any doubt to anyone till here? Because we have discussed about the simple form. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, we'll discuss with the next form, that is interrogative sentences. Anyone having any doubt, you can raise your hand and ask. Yes.